welcome you all for the DC Machines and Transformers Laboratory. Through this short video lecture series, I'm going to give the instruction for the open circuit and short circuit test on a single phase transformer. So using this two tests, open circuit test and short circuit test, you are going to perform two different things. One is you are going to predetermine the efficiency and regulation of the particular transformer, and the other thing is you are going to determine the transformer's equivalent circuit element by performing the same open circuit and short circuit test on it. So for this, once you enter into the laboratory, you need to go for the table number 26, where the transformers are kept for the experiment, and you can take the nameplate detail of the transformer. Using that nameplate detail, you can design the voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter, everything as we already explained in the online classes, and based on that you can design all those things. Everything should be written in the selection of apparatus column in a short manner, right? So once you find out the ammeter value and voltmeter value and wattmeter ranges, you need to write it here in this particular location. Nearby the wattmeter, you need to write the wattmeter reading, ammeter reading and voltmeter reading, fuse rating, everything you need to record in the respective locations, as well as you need to write in the apparatus required tables, right? So after that you need to get the signature from the faculty, and then you can get the apparatus required slip, submit the slip to the technician, and he will provide the requested ammeter, voltmeter and wattmeter, auto transformer, everything he will provide. And after that you can go for the connections, right? So in the connections category, your connections somewhere starts from this particular point, phase and neutral, and the phase is connected to the B terminal of the auto transformer, and C terminal is connected to the negative of the supply, or neutral of the supply, not negative, neutral of the supply, and the same C is taken with another wire and connected to the voltmeter terminal, and the variable end of the auto transformer is connected to the ammeter terminal, and the ammeter and the voltmeter both are connected with another wire terminals. So now up to this level is completed. Now again from the voltmeter terminal is connected to the primary of the transformer terminal P2, and the P1 is connected with a wire and to the terminal of L, and M is connected to the another ammeter terminal, and this M and C should be shorted internally, or else you need to short it externally, and the V terminal is connected to the P2 terminal of the primary. So now the complete primary side is completed, and one thing you need to note down here is if the transformer has different rating, that is primary voltage is 300 and secondary voltage is 200, in such a way the rating is provided, means low voltage should be connected as primary for the open circuit test. In the short circuit test, high voltage side is connected as a primary, right? So that is for meter convenience, right? And the secondary should be open condition. So this is what the primary condition, open circuit test on the transformer. The procedure wise, you need to give the supply to the transformer and close the DPST switch, adjust the variac such that this voltmeter reads the rated voltage, and only one reading at the particular rated voltage condition. What is the current flowing through the transformer, what is the power consumed by the transformer. So that three parameters should be recorded in this table, that is open circuit voltage and open circuit current, what is the measured power. From the multimeter cover, you need to record what is the multiplication factor. So now the taken value multiplied by the multiplication factor will give the actual power output from the meter. So this is with respect to the open circuit test. With respect to the short circuit test, the same way you need to connect this transformer. Only the additional thing is you need to connect a secondary with another wire terminals, secondary terminals with another wire, that is short circuit terminals. Other things are similar manner, but only thing difference is they should be on the high voltage side, right? Now the procedure is, once again give the supply to the circuit diagram and close the DPST switch, adjust the auto transformer such that this ammeter reads rated current. You no need to bother about the voltage. So you need to bother about only the ammeter. Rated current idhula flow agara mari you need to take the reading. That is only one reading is enough, and at the particular rated current time, what is the voltage corresponding short circuit voltage, short circuit current, and the power measured from the display of the wattmeter should be recorded here, and the cover has a multiplication factor and that should be recorded in this location, and finally these two multiplication of these two things will give the actual power output, right? So now these are the readings you need to take, and out of this you can do the remaining calculations by assuming the load conditions and using the given formulas, and that is one part to calculate the efficiency, and the other side is you can calculate the regulation by assuming the cos pi values, and that is second part, so that you can draw the characteristics of output power versus efficiency and output power versus regulation. And after that, using this data and the formulas, you can calculate the equivalent circuit during the open circuit test and equivalent circuit during the short circuit test, and finally you will get the approximate equivalent circuit of this one. So everything you can calculate easily by the given formulas, and everything's are elaborated in the manual. So you can write the equivalent circuit and conclusion everything. So hope with this you can easily complete your open circuit and short circuit test on transformers. Beyond this, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the regular class. Thank you. Thanks for watching.